Yes, sir.
Here, first I'm going to CMD. Um, I can do in my physical machine, no problem. But you see, this is normal CMD. Just I'm type CMD. Okay, so you can type the command. But if you see, it directly went to C users student one. Okay, if you create anything, okay, so like you put a dir command, it shows what is there inside of this one, like a ls command. Okay, exit to close. Another one, CMD. Both are CMDs only, but I've opened differently here. Run as a administrator. So certain commands will only run in the run as a administrator mode only. Yes. Okay. Now if you see administrator command prompt, you can see top administrator command prompt, and your it is showing C Windows System 32 instead of username. If it is showing username, it means obviously it is belongs to the user normal CMD. If it is showing Windows System 32 and it is a run as administrator type only. Okay, so certain commands only work there. So already I told disk part to manage the disk. So that is only runs in a run as a administrator mode only. Okay, like you want to change something like you want to put a command net accounts. This is net account and it is showing this PC is a workstation type, not server. It is workstation type, and also it is showing something here. Okay, net users. This is how many users are there in my thing. See, student one, student two, student three, administrator. Okay, if you want to change anything, any change settings kind of stuff, compulsory run as a administrator, or you want to run some applications in the prompt like that, run as a administrator type only. Okay, these commands will work. Net users, net share commands will work, but if you want to do some changes, compulsory open run as a administrator. So you have to see that what to do with which one you want to do. Okay, then I'm putting exit again. I open normal CMD. It means just open the CMD. So you see difference. It's not showing administrator, and it is also showing your user account only. Okay. So this is a normal account. I have E drive. Now I switch it to E drive. How to switch to E drive? E colon D drive D colon like that. Okay. Next I am in a E drive and I put a dir like a ls command. It will display all the files, folders, and everything. Now what I am going to do is one by one we'll do it. Like Linux date. If you put a date command, it display the date and also it asks you to change the date, new date. Now if you don't like it, so put a ctrl+C. So ctrl+C means like cancel, right? Date/t, date/t means, guys, anyone parallelly write down or type somewhere. Okay, uh, date/t, it will display the date but it will don't ask you to change the date. Okay, same thing for a time. This is displaying a time and as well as it asks you to change the time. Ctrl+C, it displaying the time. Okay, next. You know echo command, right? Hello, Savantis. So it will display the message, same thing. Okay, no differences. Okay, of course redirections also works. Okay, but I want to create a file. I want to create a file here. So I will create copy con some file name, um, cf1.txt file. Okay, it is asking what to do. So this is cf1.txt file. Okay, create using created using CMD. Okay, control D. Sorry, normally in a Linux it's a control D. Here it is control C or a control Z. I'm try to use control Z. Yeah, one file copied. So I put a control Z. The data is created. If you want to see what is the thing inside, like this. So type command. Copy con is to create a file like a cat grater you are giving same kind of stuff. Copy con file name and you can able to create a file. And to view the file, type command. To edit the file, we need a edit. Earlier days edit is there, now this edit is not there in new versions. Earlier days edit command is there, now it is not there. Okay, now we can't edit. Next, you can use PowerShell for that one maybe. You can add a in a bottom, but you can't change that pattern. Okay, edit command is not there. Next, how to create a directory. How to create a directory. MD. MD means main directory. So or make directory. MD. MKDR also works here. MD. Okay. Next, directory name. Um, okay. DA1. Directory name is DA1. I created a directory. DAR. Okay. I want to go inside a directory. CD. DA1 directory. I'm inside a directory. Now I want to copy a file. I want to create a file. Copy con cf2.txt. Okay, so I put a this is cf2 file. Control Z I'm putting now. So file is created. Dir file is created. I want to go back one step back. Okay, so I went go back. So dir, you can see lot of files are there here. Now how to copy these files or move these files to my dir1, my dir1. So we'll see. Here it is. What I done, dir cd space dot dot, then dir. Then what we are doing is copy. To copy a file, okay. So command is copy. Which file you want to copy? Cf1 dot. Okay, okay. So we'll say acl file1.txt to the directory, da1 directory, da1 directory, right? So you can use like da1 or you can specify like this dot slash da1, just like a path under current directory. Okay, one file is copied, dir da1 directory. See, a file is copied here. To move the command, to move a file, move cf1.txt to dot slash da1. So better to give dot slash kind of stuff in both Linux and Windows. It will make a hobby of current directory path selection. You can use different way like cf1 is came here. Move means move only. Next, dir is any file is available here. dd.bmp is there. dd.bmp file is there. I'm going to modify the name. So rename run means rename dd.bmp to ss.bmp. Now name is changed. Name is changed. See, it is showing here. Okay, and also if you observe, cf1 gone from here. Okay, so what I told, copy, move, rename. Now how to delete a file? How to delete a file? That is important, right? So first of all, we'll create a file. Echo. This is cf. Okay, ef12. Okay, some file. Yeah, it works like a Linux. Okay, you can see it's a file. It's a file. dir. You can see the file here. Okay. Now I'm deleting del f235. I delete the file. File is deleted. Del. Now I want to delete the directory. I want to delete the directory. Dir. Some directory is there. This is means directory. This means it's a file. This means directory. So dsd. It contains some file. Okay, no problem. md da2 directory. I created a directory dir da2 directory. It does not contain anything. rmdir da2. It's deleted the directory. So you can see da2 directory is I deleted. rmdir command is rmdir to delete the directory. rmdir da1 directory. It is showing directory is not empty. So guys, tell me in Linux what is the command to delete a directory which contains something in Linux?
rmdir -rf.
Very good. Correct. rm space hyphen rf and following. Like that same thing only we can do it here, but little bit options are different. Okay. So I can you can use rm or you can use rmdir also. So I'm going with help with rmdir slash question mark. You can see options. Hyphen s remove all the directories and files in the specific directory in addition to the directory itself. Use it to remove the directory tree. Hyphen q quiet mode, so don't generate any queries here. So you can use rmdir or rd also you can use it. Slash s capital smallest anything no problem. Da1. It is asking questions. Okay, without asking questions. So what is the command? Slash q. Don't ask any questions. Delete the directory. It is deleted the directory. Okay. Next. The lot of commands are there. You don't know the commands. Just type help. These are all commands only. You can read one by one command and you can remember those commands also. Like a attribute, break, bcd, edit. Okay. Uh, chk, dsk, chk, dsk. Okay. cls, like a clear the screen. CMD, compact, convert, copy, date, delete, dir, uh, echo, exit, find, format, fsutil, ftype, fsutil, file system configuration. Go to uh, new commands, right? Move, mod for linking, mk link. Okay, to make directory mkdir, md and mkdir both are there. Mk link label if pop d, what is it, print, promote, connect, like that, telnet, rmdir, robocopy, xcopy, one more copy is there now, xcopy. Scopy is used for copying of files, multiple files you want to copy from one location other location. Xcopy, verify, type, these are the commands. What commands we use, that commands only I'm typing first here for our understanding and remember. So I use command to switch um, for switching purpose from C drive to E drive, and also I use a command to create a directory. I use md or mkdir, both we can able to do it. So I use a da1 directory, then cd da1 directory. Okay, then I use a copycon to create a file cf2.txt. Also I use a command copycon cf1.txt. Then I write something, this is cf1 and something I written. What happened? This is also same thing. We can add a data text, then create a file. Okay. Now cd dot for a one step back. Okay. Next I copy cf1 dot txt to da1 directory. Okay. Then I move. Sorry, from file1 dot txt. I copy and I moved cf1 dot txt to da1 and I rename some dd.bmp file as a ss.bmp for a renaming. Okay, directly I'm typing things. Okay. Next, I delete a file. The file name is cf some f1.txt. Just delete the file. To delete the directory, rd you can use it. Rd or rmdir, both you can able to use it. Next, rmdir /s /q and data1. Here I deleted data1. So try same command, both are same commands like this. You can use same thing with the da/s/q/da1. First I started with the date command actually. Um, X copy I told.
Sir, type command.
Type command. Very good. Where is this? Okay. X copy and all. Here is a task kill and task list and task kill is there. That is also we'll see. Tree command is also there. Just what to do? Type help. It lists a lot of commands. See the command, read the command, and which if you know how to use it, or you can try to use it. That's it. Okay, nothing will happen. VAR, what Windows version? VAR. Okay, VAR Windows version. Tree means what are the directories, under directories. Enter tree structure. It will show. If you have multiple directories, then it shows the tree. Okay, like that. This is showing your volume name, E drive, new volume, serial number, the volume serial number. Next, um, of course, task list, task kind of some commands are there now. So I will go to the CMD. Better to open with a run as administrator. Disk part already I told in a run as administrator. Will see that other command. Net is a beautiful command. Net. If you type net, it will show so many things. You can see net share, net start, net stop, net computer, net accounts, net config, net users, net group. Like that, you can get a lot of things. Net sh is also another command to manage your IP addresses, DNS addresses in the system. Okay, net sh. So why I open this one? The task kind of stuff, right? Task is there. Next, um, first we'll see the task management only. For example, I'm going to open something. This is all control panels only. Okay, I've opened something like a camera. So we'll see task list. I'm typing command task list. It lists the task like your PS command task list. Okay, uh, CMD, OneDrive, OneDrive. Okay, like this. So what I've opened now, is it still registry is open? Closed it. Uh, these are all running services task list, and this is the process ID. This is the name. This is memory utilization. Explorer.exe. What is explorer.exe? You are seeing your background screen, right? This background screen, folders, taskbar, everything under control of explorer.exe. If you remove this explorer.exe, you can't see anything on your screen. So I open something camera, con host, audio dialog, smart screen. Where is this camera kind of stuff? I'm not able to see that one. Best. Better to open something useful. So I'm opening Microsoft Edge. By open it, it will open. We can link the files also. Now Microsoft Edge is open in the background. Okay, here it is open. It is become slow. Mhm. Is it going to be rain? No raining. So if you see, this is a process ID. Okay. So this is a explorer.exe and it is showing a process ID like this. I put a control C, but it is not listening to that. Okay. Now it is may not work. Okay. So remember guys, this is my process ID explorer.exe. What will happen? Taskkill /pid and tell the process ID 2696. It may not work. Yes. It is showing that process is not found. Process number is 2696. Yeah. Because of this is got freezed. Okay. So task list again. Any changes? Yeah. Now it is working normally. Okay, like this. I am trying to find out to suitable one. Microsoft Edges. I want to find actually. What is this? I am unable to find. Okay, so I will go with the explorer.exe only. 4160 process ID explorer.exe 4160. We'll see task kill /pid 4160. Now what will happen? Wait. Send a terminated signal. So what happened? Something in background it is closed, but not everything is closed. Everything should be closed. Okay, edge is closed. I didn't close it, but it is closed. Okay, like this. This is the command to kill the process. tasklist. Next one is taskkill /pid and pid number. So that is, so like this you can do so many commands. So you have to type in the CMD, just type help. Basically a lot of commands, you can do a lot more things in a command, like fsutil also I already showed earlier. Fsutil. Okay. Next one is PowerShell. There's a two different type of PowerShells are there mainly. One is PowerShell, another one is PowerShell ISE. Normal PowerShell, like a command prompt only. Okay, you cannot develop anything, just you have to give the command prompt. And PowerShell also we can open as a run as a administrator type. You don't know basic commands of PowerShell, no problem. Normal CMDs commands also will work like this. E drive, okay. So dir, it is the directory content. You can use Linux based commands also, like ls commands also works. CLS works, like a Windows CLS, Linux clear, both will works. Okay, and you want to do something like you want to create a new file. Guys, PowerShell for starters, for understanding, it is very easy compared to Linux and all kind of stuff. So see here it is. Uh, just look at here. I'm going to create a file. Okay. Now right click, new text document, new text document or new folder, new text document, and should give some name, right? So I have to give some name. Okay. I'm giving G1. Okay. Then I have to put some data. So I open it. This is G1 file, right? Any which ways task must be completed, right? So I am done things with the GUI mod, but how to do with the PowerShell mod? Look at here. New. I have to create something, right? So I want to create a new one. So new item. What happened? Press the tab button. Yeah. Now working. New item hyphen file. Okay, so where you want to create that slash in current directory only I want to create it. File name is pf1.txt. Okay, so new item and where you want to create it, and what you want to create it. Okay, so like hyphen, just wait for hyphen, any options it is showing. You can see path name, item type is file, hyphen path, this is the path. Now file is created. See, file is created. Very simple. Where you want to create, give the name and address and what type of it is. It's a file. Same command, little bit different. I deleted DA1, DA2, right? So now again I'm creating DA1, and what is DA1 is a directory, and I have to tell it is directory. Now I created a directory, DA1 directory. You'll see in E drive. See, PF1 file is created, DA1 directory is created like this. If you want to copy or you want to add or you want to add the something into the file, also you can add it. But in a PowerShell, guys, always remember you want to creating new. New is there means definitely new is there. You want to know some information, get. You want to get some information, get. You want to change something, set. You want to remove something, remove. Okay, remove item, delete, like a delete. Remove item means delete the file. Set, to set something, like change something, settings. Get the information, like get. What I'm typing, pf1.txt. So you want to know about the information, what is this file. Okay, like this. Okay, set content. The content is I want to put hello. So what it is, so this is pf1 file. So where you want to put it, so dot slash pf.txt. Set content, get content, dot slash pf.txt. So it is not getting anything. I set content, then get content. Maybe I didn't save it. Okay, I've opened it. So maybe I forget some saving. So I put a set content done, but how to tell saving? It's okay, it is not getting inside like that. Okay, some more commands I will tell, like for date, get date. This is get date, get time. That is not there. Get date is only there. Okay, so it will show red color if you are typing some wrong or no command are there or any optional issues. It shows some red color and find out you have to read it. Okay, so that is the get date. Get disk. It will show the disk, how many disks are there, partitions and all. Like you get a disk. Okay, so this is the disk, 60 GB GPT disk. Okay, get a disk. This is entirely disk information. Because of this, get a disk, get partition, set partition. Like this, we can get it. For example, get service. You want to see service. These are all services running in my system. If you want to see a particular service, get hyphen service specific, like a Windows update. This is only Windows update services. Display name or a name wise, we can filter it. So get services. If you want to stop the services, you can stop it. You want to start the service, you can start it. So get hyphen service for you application identity. So this is application identity service. Now it is stopped. You want to start it. Start service application identity. any name column. See, just before I done right, get service. Now I'll go to start service. uh, Column is there. Column means I have to open run as an administrator type. Okay, so that's a column. Just for introduction only, this is for a commands to manage. If you know how to do with the GUI mod, you will know how to do with the CLI mod. Another one is ISC. Another one is ISC. Oh, it is almost 5:35, so we should close. So here it is. You have to click on something, so then we'll get it. Yeah, like this. This is for a script developers. If you want to develop a PowerShell script, or you want to write a script, or you want to do some commands, this ISV will be helpful. Okay, so person who is very new and start learning from one by one, so then you can able to start from here. Okay, and also you can save that one as a script also. Okay. Mm, get see suggestions also coming. IP net IP address. See, automatically it came. Get net IP address. Then I want to run it. So what will happen? It's running some information. See, it is running and it is displaying lot of information here. Um, I don't know how many IP addresses I have. This is only one IP address. So we have to filter it. Okay, interface index 4. Interface index 4. So I want to get that information. Hyphen interface index so equal to 4. Now run. Now it is not understanding equal to 4. 4. Now it is understand first one is correct. Okay, like this. So this is the command. For example, I want to use it for a script or a multiple commands. I want to put it like ping 192 168 2.1. So I put a two commands and I will save it. Okay, so I'll saving this netps some name, no problem. I'm saving on desktop or E drive. Save it. So I saved the script. I'm closing this one. Now I created a script. I saved it on my in a E drive. Okay, can you see this is the one? Right click, run with the PowerShell. Now open. Something it is asking. Yes. See, it is showing network details and also pinging is also going on. So I given a commands like you write a script, if loop, for loop, while loop, also we can able to do it. Like you are doing programming language, same thing you can do programming, scripting, commands, you can able to do it in a ISC, and you can save it as a executable file also. It completed and closed. So like this script file. Okay guys, this is about your PowerShell. Lot of PowerShells are there, PowerShell web, none are there, but generally in a PowerShell. Okay, so when you open a PowerShell, or you can type in CMD PowerShell also, it will open. So if you want to get any information, get. You want to change information, set. You want to create anything new, new. Okay, you want to start something, start. You want to stop services like start, stop, like that you can put it. For example, you want to know about your disk, get disk. Okay, get disk. You want to know about services, get service. Okay, you want to change start the service, start service. You want to stop it, stop service. Okay, like that. So get, so we use one more command, get hyphen net ip address hyphen ip address. Then I use options. You can use options like that. Okay, so this is a basic vocabulary. Of course, few things are there, like a colons we use it, equal to, dollars, like a options we are using in a PowerShell. Okay, this is it, guys, for today. Oh, I hope you are not enjoyed that much.